What you're going to need is the 3mm aluminum wire and your tools. You can experiment with taking these glass baubles from the stained glass store and surrounding them with the thick wire. What I'm going to do for that is just make a little loop first. And then take a round form and bring it around to one side and around to the other, like that. And then we're going to push it that way to make it a little bit larger. I'm going to clip this end flush and then make a little spiral. So we're going to just bring this one in. Keep in mind this wire is very stiff. You can also do this with the 12 gauge wire. So we're going to bring this in, and this is going to hold the piece at the back. We're going to pop our piece in there, hold this and adjust it, put it on the table, and then just bring this one in a little bit. And then you can actually take this end and bring it in, cut this flush, and push it down. Then you want to do all kinds of adjusting here to hold it in place. And here you can see the pendant made with the 3mm wire and the 2mm 12 gauge wire.